Today, I'm going to show you how to publish your website to a live server so that everybody on the internet can see it. Step 1. Get your files ready. Make sure you have all the files that you need in the same folder, and there is a file called index.html. If there is not, just rename your homepage to index.html. This step is very important because this is the file that a browser or the web server will automatically look for every time when you visit a website. Step 2. Sign in to github.com. Now, if you don't have an account yet, just sign up for a new one. It's totally free. Step 3. Look for the new button on the left hand side. Click on it. This will help us to create a new repository. And then type in your name, github.io. You must follow this format so that the URL will work for your website. Then click Create Repository. And now you can see that the repository is created. A repository is a place where we can put our homepage, our images, and also we can add more files, scripts, and other stuff in the future. So now, how can we upload files to our website? Click on the Upload an Existing File link here, and then drag and drop all the files from our website folders into the box in the middle. Wait for the progress bar to run until the end and show us that all the files have been uploaded successfully. Click the Commit Changes button. Wait for GitHub to process our files. And now you have successfully uploaded the files to your website. And now go to a browser, type the URL that you have created just now, and you should be able to see your website is now live and loaded successfully. Let me know what you think about this website. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and I'll answer them. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.